What's up YouTube? Where is a hairstylist? Or a barber? And clipper education in terms of barbering? My name is Kevin Diverse. I am the founder of Diverse Teach. Every texture, various styles, various techniques, for everyone. For hairstyles, barbers, clipper, trimmer, shaver, education. This is Diverse Teach. Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we're going to do a faded pixie cut. You can follow me on Instagram above, or please subscribe to my YouTube channel below. I really like this haircut. It is a hybrid between barbering and hairstyling. First off, I picked up my fader with an open lever. And fading away the sides, as you see, I've bun the top of her hair. I'm using a bit of clipper over comb. This is the before haircut. Normally this haircut can be worn 3 inches from the scalp, just over the ear. Today I'm using a number 2 guard with a tapered back and angled sideburn. Now I'm moving to her other ear, using the open lever with a 2 guard. Now I have picked up my outliner. Now with the sideburn. It can be faded out with a fader or thinned out with a thinning razor. But I am going to angle them off. Sorry about the camera angle that you cannot see the angled sideburn. As you see, I'm combing and outlining. Combing and outlining. I'm moving away her ear and outlining. With this haircut, there's options of fading out the back from a number 2, but this time I've decided to give some definition on the one side, which is pretty heavy. So in the barber rule, we call this an outline, and I feed out the back. I'm outlining the other side, moving away her ear. Now I'm angling her other sideburn off to give her some definition. Again, this could be tapered with a fader or even some type of razor. Moving away her ear and combing. This haircut can be very versatile. I decided to angle off her sideburns. I started the outline on the other side of her head, just to give something distinction, something different. As one side has definition, I'm deciding to clip her over comb and fade out her other side. So now I'm picking up my 1/16 clip, trigger playing it, open, medium, closed. And now I'm picking up no guard with my fader, open, medium, close, just fading out the back corner. Sorry, I am in the way. Let's see, the maintenance for this haircut is usually every 2 weeks. As this length is here, it's about once a month. Now I'm just freestyle clip over comb, feeling out the back and seeing how her layers are as I'm combing back. Clipper over comb. Since I'm combing and cutting, using some freehand fading, open lever. Now I'm not taking too much length off. She actually got a haircut about 2.5 weeks ago. We're just touching it up. So I really didn't cut too much of the top, just blended what we had on the sides. It's middle. I call this the middle ground of the haircut, which allows it to flow. So it's grabbing some of the layers there, seeing how it flows to the back. One more layers. There you go. We got our end result. So she throws her hair one way, which looks like this. If she wants to look a little different there. Nice. I faded the back corner out. Looks good. This is how it looks on the other side. See those layers? As you say, this gives some versatility, something different, some distinction, an outline. As you say, you can follow me on Instagram above, or please subscribe to my YouTube channel below. This is something different. Give some definition, some layers. Thanks a lot.